Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best ARGB PC case fan you need for your next build. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Thermaltake SwaFan EX. Let's get started. Product feature. Innovative swappable fan blades allow you to switch airflow direction effortlessly without buying new fans for intake or exhaust setups. A powerful neodymium magnetic connection lets you snap fans together instantly for a secure and seamless hardware bond. The magnetic daisy chain system uses just a single cable for power and control, making your cable management look professional and clean. Reach high-performance cooling speeds of up to 2,000 RPM, ensuring your components stay safe even during heavy gaming or productivity. Experience strong airflow of up to 57 CFM, providing the steady breath of fresh air your PC needs to perform at its absolute best. Precise PWM functionality gives you total control over fan speeds, perfectly balancing cooling power with a quiet, peaceful environment. Vibrant ARGB lighting syncs with your motherboard, letting you express your unique personality through a stunning spectrum of colors. Pros. This fan set is a dream for anyone who loves a tidy, beautiful setup. The magnetic connection feels like magic, saving you from the frustration of a messy cable octopus behind your motherboard tray. We love the flexibility of the swappable blades. It shows Thermaltake really cares about giving builders freedom. The lighting is gorgeous and adds a warm, inviting glow to your workspace. Cons. While the magnetic system is incredibly convenient, you'll want to handle the fans with a bit of care during installation to keep the connection points clean. Also, having so many customization options might take a few extra minutes to fully set up in your software, but the stunning result is truly worth it for the aesthetic. Final thoughts. Imagine building a PC that isn't just fast, but is a true reflection of your creativity and passion. These fans bring that vision to life with ease. They take the stress out of cable management and give you the peace of mind that your hardware is being cooled by reliable, clever technology. It's about more than just parts. It's about creating a space where you feel inspired to play and create. Your PC deserves to look and feel this amazing. Check the price link in the description to see how you can upgrade your setup today. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to join our growing community of builders. See you in the next one.